So we are servicing 10.5 kgs, dryer 7 kgs. That is staining clothes. So we want to see why it's staining clothes and also tearing clothes. For the better part, I'm going to use need a screwdriver, a star, a flat, and a pliers. Those are the things I need. So we start by removing the top panel. It's sunny, so I'll need it's getting hot over here, and also I need some sun, so I'll remove my jacket. Then we remove the long screws holding the dispenser compartment. Remove the display. Always take pictures if you're not sure of where on how to plug back the cables, so you can take pictures for reference. So this is the display board, so we keep it safe somewhere so that we don't mess with it. So we need to remove the front panel to access the rubber seal. So using a flat, we look for the spring. The spring is somewhere down here, like that. Pull it out, and then we remove this. This is the clipper holding the rubber seal. So once we remove that, we pull it out, and then we push it in like that, like that, like that. Then close the door. Then we open the filter. So we open the filter, just like that. Remove this. So I can drain here because the machine is outside, so no issue even if the floor gets wet. Then we open the filter. So far the filter is very clean. So we have a screw holding this white plastic here, so that's what you're going to remove. Then using a flat, plug it out like that. I just found a missing earring. That's a missing earring. These things that you find in your washing machine. So remove two screws here, they're already missing. So there's a screw that is always here and then here. So once you remove that, we remove the three. 1, 2, 3. I'll get the right spanner to remove that thing. I leg number 7. I need to pick a call. There's an incoming call. Yes, no? Yes, it's fine. Good, thank you. Yes, please. Yes, I can hear you. Yes, please. You happy? Sio sisi. Hebu check again. Hapana, sisi we are home appliances repair. CLP. Yeah. Hapana. So once you remove the 3 screws, that's what we do. So you just pull it out like that. So we remove this. This is what locks the door, the locking mechanism. So we have to remove that just by unplugging the cables. And then we put this somewhere so that we don't mess it up. You might break something. This is delicate because this is glass. So we'll wipe it later before plugging it back. So I'll put it somewhere here. So we need to remove this rubber here and clean it. I'll need to record some videos for my YouTube shorts. First things first, Appreciate your support. So to remove this rubber, I can remove it from here by removing these bolts that holds the concrete block. So for easy access, I'll remove these on this front panel here. This one that holds the frame together. So I'll open this and this. There are 4 screws. So I'll use this. So this is the pressure switch sensor. So we remove the concrete. This we use number 10. Number 10, number 10, number 10. 12, 10. this one. They help with the stability. They are quite heavy, so these help with the stability. So with this one, when you remove them, you see here it is written right. On the other one, it's written left. So they are labeled. So left, there is an L here, and then there is an R here, right. So returning them is easy. So left goes on the left side, right goes on the right side. So we unclip this. This one is for mixing water back to the drum. This machine has two pumps. We have this one here and another one there. So this one, the first one is for pumping water out from the machine, goes out, and then we have another one that mixes water back, like when it's washing soap and water. So it pumps water back to the drum. This one pumps water back to the drum, and this one removes water out. So this one holds the rubber on the heating duct. This is a washer dryer, so it holds the rubber this way. So we unplug this at the pipe. This one removes water that stagnates here. So if you find water stagnating here after doing a wash, it's because of this. So this one is blocked. So it's blocked, water can't go underneath. So we look for the spring. We want to look for the spring. The spring is down here. That's the spring. So once you do that, that's what you do. This is what holds the rubber on the drum, on the plastic drum. So we pull this out. So if you try to remove this, you see that the machine is very unstable, very unstable. because I've removed the concrete and the mortar is heavy. Let me show you something. So this concrete here, they help with the stability. There are two. This one's for the right hand side, it's an R, and then we have another one for the left side. There's an L labeled on that, so they help with the stability. So if you see this machine, we have removed the concrete, so the machine is unstable. You see, it can fall back. Huh? Why? Because now we have the motor behind. So I'll show you the motor. The motor is quite heavy. So if you remove the concrete and the machine has the motor, it tends to lean back. So I'll show you the motor. It's quite heavy. It's a direct drive motor. That's the motor. So I'll show you what happens when you remove the stability blocks, the concrete blocks. See, that's the motor. This is the motor. The motor is quite heavy. So without the concrete block, the machine weight will lean at the back. So that's why you have to have the concrete blocks. When you put the concrete blocks, this is what happens. The machine will go back, it will be stable. Without concrete, that's it. With the concrete, without, there's that imbalance. With the concrete, there we go. So these are very, very, very important on our washing machine. Then something else with the LG, you see, like Samsung, what they've done, and other brands, we have these two concrete blocks, and then we have one that's on top. LG are doing something different. So this also helps with the stability. Let me remove them. They are quite heavy. So they are plugged. They are fit end to end. So stability is more. The machine will be more stable compared to just putting one concrete block at the center. So we remove this. It's quite unstable. Let me get another screwdriver. So the reason I'm removing this is because I need to lift the heating duct for me to pull out the lower rubber sealer. So these ones also help with the stability. Very, very heavy. Heavier than the concrete. So this also helps with the stability. Yeah, these as well. They also help with the stability. And they all fit here. So these help with stability. They are hooked on the drum at the front. They also help hold the rubber gasket intact. And then we have this 4LG. Latest models, they are doing that. They are plugged on this panel here, and then they fit up here. Other brands, they have one concrete up here, like a washer only that doesn't have this duct. Most of them have a concrete block plugged up here. Other machines, it's at the back, just besides the motor. So other machines, they are fit somewhere here. So we remove this because I was trying to remove the rubber seal. The process I have to do as another video of how important the concrete is. So instead of removing this and this, let's opt to remove this, and this, so that we can at least raise the heating out. So now I can easily raise up the rubber, the duct. This is the heating duct. So I can easily raise that up, and then we pull this down like that. So now we removed the door rubber seal, and this is how it looks like. It's quite worn out. You see, it's quite worn out. So you're going to clean this. I need to soak it. Something else, this machine is tearing clothes. You see, when it's spinning, the rubber seal is always here, and then there's this gap here that is always open. The space between the metallic drum and the drum and the rubber seal. So you see, it's rough. See the black thing you can see here. The machine is quite rough, very rough. So when it's spinning, this is what tears clothes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scrub this to make sure that it's smooth. Then we plug it back. It's very rough, so we're going to smooth up this. I'm also going to remove this so that I can clean it. First appreciate your support. So the best you can do for yourself, you don't need a technician. So guys, in the process of doing this live, I'm also recording other videos. First things first, I appreciate your support. So we said to leave your washing machine smelling good, you have to remove this, clean and return. So these are basics that anyone can do. Removing water soap dispenser, push, it's seated push here. Once you pull it, it's in push, and then pull it out. So this one you can do and you don't need a technician. But this is where we come in. Let me show you. see, you only see the outside, but we need to clean in there. Yes, a brush might help when you scrub, but what we do is we come remove this. Like that. Then we unhook here. You see? That's horrible. So we remove this these clips that holds the hose tight to the dispensing compartment. So once you remove it, this is what you find. So this is what we do. Now we soak this and then clean it. We scrub it. You know, this is like a sieve. You see inside there? That's like a sieve. So when this blocks, even if the filter is clean, this is the filter. That's the filter. So even if this filter is clean and this one is clogged, the machine will still not receive water at the required time. So we unblock that. Then ensure these doses are clear. And then we plug it back. And in the process, we remove this. You see how dirty it is? We clean that as well. Very dirty. We're going to clean that. And then we clean the rubber as well. Because the only thing you can do when the rubber is this way, you only use clean clothes to clean here. But for this, you have to call us. You have to get a technician. See, this you have to get a technician. This you have to get a technician. Now you see this rubber is quite worn out, mold, it's torn. This one now needs a replacement. So this is what we do when you come to your washing machine. We are completely unplug it. We dismantle it. We clean the dispensing compartment. We clean this hose here. Then we also remove this. Because of blockages, you only remove the filter. The filter is here. This is the filter. So you'll open the filter, yes. So if there's something in here, if you're lucky, dissolved. If not, we remove this. There's a screw holding it here and a spring. So we remove this, clean all this, and then this pipe here we ensure it has no dent because it determines the level of water in the drum. It connects to the pressure switch. This is the pressure switch. So we clean all that and ensure everything is clean. And then we have something we call the dampers. These are the dampers. We lubricate them. So on this one, I'm going to lubricate this. There's another damper there. There's another one behind there. So we lubricate the dampers because this is where when the machine is loaded, it bounces in there like that. Like that. Yes. As simple as that. So don't play yourself. Book for maintenance. Do the basics and book for maintenance. We love you guys. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Okay, so I get into cleaning this. Yes, I'll need a brush. This is the grease I'll use to lubricate the dampers. I have enough brushes for this, so I'm going to clean this and this and this in running water. This water here. There we go. So we clean the dispenser. Sorry, I'm trying to manage this camera here. So my client is out, and we don't have a basin. We don't have enough clothes to help us or towel to help us clean this. So we're going to clean here. You see, when we say we book for maintenance, that's how bad it looks inside there. Very, very bad. You see, and then the dispenser. This is the dispenser. So it fits here. You put your soap here and softener here. So you're going to clean this, because the best a client can do is only clean this and maybe wipe in there, but I'm going to thoroughly clean this. Unaweza kuona kando hapo bro. Yeah, iko sawa kabisa. Asante bro. this is where the softener comes. We put here the softener. So when it's blocked, the softener can't pass through here. That's why you have issues with the machine not taking softener, because this stuff here is clogged. So we're going to clean that. Very dirty. clean this one here. You have to clean this.